Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start in the lobby, tap the gear icon and enter settings immediately. Once inside, go to the language or audio section. Some updates moved voice language under audio. You do this first because changing voice packs there ensures the game downloads compatible files. While you're here, make sure you're signed in, otherwise preferences might not save to your account. If a prompt appears to download language data, approve it now so the next steps apply cleanly without interruption. Once done in the language section, pick the voice language you want from the list. This controls in-game announcer and voice messages. After selecting, tap download or apply to fetch the voice pack. PubG Mobile usually streams these files to save space. Make sure storage permissions are granted so the download can complete. If the game shows progress, wait until it finishes. Otherwise, your selection won't activate. If you switch languages mid-match, changes apply after relaunch or next login. You finish by closing and restarting PubG Mobile so the new voice pack loads cleanly. Soft reloads ensure assets replace cached audio. After restart, verify the voice in training or a custom match and listen for the new language in system prompts and voice messages. If you don't hear changes, make sure the download completed, then clear cache from settings or re-download the language pack. One key troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, toggle the language back and forth and restart to force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.